Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both phones ready. Make sure each has power and they share the same network or one creates a hotspot. Install the chosen app now. Use the built-in cast feature or a trusted third party like TeamViewer or AnyDesk. Grant screen recording and accessibility permission immediately so you won't be blocked later. Also allow microphone if you want voice. Once done, sign into the same account or exchange the session code so the receiving phone can request the screen stream. You now initiate the live connection. On the source phone, open the screen share function and tap Start or Host. The app displays a session code or a system prompt to begin capturing. Give that code to the second phone or accept the incoming request on the receiver. Once connected, adjust stream options, lower quality to reduce lag, lock orientation for a stable view, and enable or disable remote control depending on whether you want the other user to tap. Make sure notifications are muted to avoid. Finish cleanly by tapping Stop Share or ending the session in the app. Confirm both phones show the stream has ended. If you experience lag or choppy video, move both phones closer to the router, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, or lower stream quality and bitrate to stabilize the feed. If the receiver can't view, check that screen capture permissions, accessibility, and overlay rights are enabled in settings. Revoke then regrant them if necessary. One tip: reboot the app after permission changes to apply settings immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.